This is Ramesh, the finance controller of Lear Corporation, and our company into manufacturing of car sets for the for the passenger vehicles as well as for commercial vehicles also. And we are supplying car seats to Volkswagen, General Motors, Mahindra, Tata, BMW, then Nissan, and as well as for Ford. We have 13 plants in India, and almost we are touching to a turnover of 2,500 crores in the year 2015 and 16. And one of the aspects what I am telling you here, that cost control and cost reduction is absolutely a factor which is considered by all the companies. The reason being that any increase in your overheads, that it is not necessary that you will go to a customer and ask for the increase in the rights. For example, there is an increase in the labor cost by 8%, 10% or 12% in various years. Your cost is increasing. If the cost increasing, it means the profit will go down. Either you go to a customer, ask for the increase, or you maintain the cost structure in such a way that your efficiency has been improved, your cost has been reduced, and your profitability is maintained very well. Of course, you are getting a new business, that new business is covering your fixed costs and then giving the benefit to your bottom line. But apart from this, the cost control, where every company is doing that activity. I am giving you one example here. In a truck, we are dispatching 6 car sets to Volkswagen, and per trip the cost is almost 900 rupees. But our engineer developed a system. They hire a bigger truck, and for bigger truck we are now dispatching 12 car sets. But the 12 car sets we are paying per trip, the cost is 900 rupees. In the earlier method, for the 12 car sets, the cost is approximately 1,800 rupees. But because of the bigger size of the truck, where we are able to dispatch 12 car sets, but the cost has been come down by 600 rupees per trip. This is one example. Another example, that we are manufacturing in-house a chemical based foam, where we have to put a polychemical in the process. It will go into heating process, and then you will get a complete foam, and that foam is absolutely a quality design drafted by the OEMs. But our engineers developed a system where that if required a chemical is say 100 ml, 100 milliliter, we reduce a little bit of 5 ml, then some cases 10 ml, and some cases a little bit more. But the quality of the foam is maintained as per the expected by the OEMs, and in this entire process we saved a huge cost because we reduced the chemical input, but we got the same type of foam for the manufacturing of car sets. Apart from this, we have also done a vertical integration, where the metal part, you must have seen in the car seats, the 2 small knobs are here. You just push the button and you can recline. And for the recliner, we have developed a local source. When we imported from the US, when we imported from the China, the cost of the part is approximately 200 rupees per recliner. But due to localization, we have reduced the cost of that recliner is almost 140 rupees. It means 60 rupees per recliner. We reduce the cost, and every year we are manufacturing 30 lakhs of recliners. You can imagine 30 lakhs into 60 rupees, approximately 18 crores of saving we did through a cost reduction process. This is another basis that a customer is a focus. You have to provide as per the customer expectations, no doubt about it. You have to provide the quality as per the customer requirement. You have to maintain the wage increase to your employee to give the better quality. You have to maintain the less cost, less overheads at a company level, so you can maintain the very good profitability. and also in this case, if you maintain the good cost structure, you can get additional business from various new companies. Thank you.